Hello students, hope you are fine and doing well in all subjects. Today we are starting with the new topic that is called the coordinates method. As we have already done in class 8 how to draw the coordinates. So same is there. This is x-axis where x is positive, here x is negative, here y is positive and here y is negative. The point where they meet, this is called the origin. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, x and y both are positive. Second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. Third quadrant, both are negative. And fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. Right? The value is abscissa. Abscissa means x and ordinate means y, and both when they are together then they are called the coordinate. Right? So far as to draw is concerned, you are well aware of how to draw the coordinates on the graph. So this is what I have to tell you only, I think. So the coordinate in the first exercise, suppose we have A is 2 and 3, B is 2 and minus 3, C minus 2 minus 3, D minus 2 and 3, E 4 and minus 5, F 4 and minus 2, 9 and minus 2, G minus 3 and 1. So we will draw two lines, or this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This gap should be uniform, and when you will graph, they are already in a graph, the squares are there, so it will not be difficult for you to draw this minus. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is also minus. Like the first is 2 and 3. x2 is there, y3 is there. Wherever they meet, this is point A, 2 and 3. 2 and minus 3. This is 2 and minus 3 is downward. This is B. This is 2 and minus 3. Then minus 2 minus 3. The first value always represents x and the second value represents y. D minus 2 and 3. This is D. X is minus 2, y is 3. E 4 and minus 5. X is 4 and y is minus 5. E 4 and minus 5. F 9 and 2 minus 2. F 9 and minus 2. G is minus 3 and y is plus 1. This is G, 3 and minus 1. You can draw as many points you want to draw, and if you say that you just join them and make the figure, you can make the figure. That is all for today. We don't have anything much in this topic. Thank you.